So, for those who think chicken is bad for your dog, he eats these all the time. Whole chicken, raw. I just freeze it at least 24 hours, usually 2 weeks or more. Which is supposed to kill any parasites, but these are just regular chickens from the store. I get them on sale. It's when the chicken bones are cooked that they splinter and they're bad for the dog. And for those who are afraid of parasites, he has stool samples every 6 months. He's 2.5 years old. He's been eating these since he was about 4 months old, and he's never had any parasites. So, that's it. He won't probably either half or the whole thing. Depends how hungry he is.